In this video lesson, I will show you how to paint a seascape in watercolor. This artwork is painted outdoors, on location on a wonderful Mediterranean beach. Here is the impressionist artwork that I managed to make in one painting session. It is late afternoon. The sky is clear and soft light fills the beach and all its surroundings with warm colors. To decide on the composition of this artwork, I am making a very laconic sketch in graphite pencil. I start by painting the warm sunlight of the sky, using the yellow ochre light and cadmium orange paint colors. The paint is applied with a round mop brush. As this holds a lot of water, this allows me to make big washes without reloading the brush too often. I add a bit more cadmium orange closer to the horizon, painting this tint wet into wet. For the blue sky color, I use ultramarine. I apply the blue light tint with wide brush strokes, leaving gaps between them. I'm quite happy with the sky so far, as it is blue and light. Moving on, I will start painting the sea. For its color, I use a mix of ultramarine with cadmium orange and the blue-green pigment Viridian. I am aiming to make a creative impression of this place, not a photorealistic document about it. I therefore omit many details in this artwork and instead concentrate on colors and tones. You may also see that I paint some details wet on dry and others wet into wet. This helps to create a rich texture because the variety of different painting methods always looks better when utilized in the same watercolor artwork. 3 main pigments are used for this greenery: ultramarine, cadmium orange, and sap green. For the color of the ground, I mix cadmium orange, cadmium red, and ultramarine. A bigger round brush is more suitable to produce wide, free-flowing brushstrokes. With a smaller brush, I add more pigment wet into wet. The long shadow casted by this bush is cold. I paint it using a mix of ultramarine and cadmium orange. The thin lines of the tall grass blades are painted with the rigger brush. Here is the finished seaside in watercolor.